Hello viewers, welcome to my channel IT Solution. Today I will discuss Servlet programming, another example on transferring value from HTML page to JSP page. And JSP is Java server page, which is a property of Servlet technology. And here in the Eclipse it will work as JSP values to transferring the value to Servlet, and the result will be reflected on a page which is Java server page. Now I will show you I have added two pages. My project is ABC in the Eclipse IDE. You see, this is ABC project. I have added one from index.html and another JSP page is here, abc.jsp page. In the web content file folder. In my previous video I have already discussed the component of this Servlet program. Today I will show you that this index.html page having two input boxes, and the value added in this input box will carry to the second page with the result of multiply of the two numbers. You see, the first page design is that simple, and I have created a form. Action is towards the JSP page, abc.jsp, and input type box is the text, which is created a text box as per HTML format, and this is value I have taken name is as name ID is as num1. Second text box is name ID is num2, and I will create the action, which is by submit button, and it will basically send the values with the query string to the page abc.jsp. Now I will save it. Now I will see in this abc.jsp what are the values in the JSP package page. This is equal to server page is of the HTML tag, but to act for Java component, it should be with the angular bracket with percentage symbol, and this will always convert this information to the Java code. So this happens to be the value variable declaration int I, integer value I, where the value of text is received by num1 is converted to and carried with the request parameter to integer value I, because initially it is a string value, but it is converted with this option parse dot integer dot parse int to integer complete integral value, which is I. Similarly, they will hold this value of num2. Now the power multiply is the another variable stored in k I into j. The value is stored in k. Now I have to show the value of k with the command which is called out.println. It is the code line for Java to go print out on the screen of this page. The value is, this is the text, and the value is concatenated with plus sign k. So the closing of this angular bracket is here. Now I will execute this page to show you the result, and right click on this project, run on server, and it will assign the always Tomcat presented here and activated, that is started as Tomcat 7.0, and maybe next. And the project is now I am configured with ABC. Go with ABC, so click on finish. The first page will appear here. Yes, it is the first page or index page here. I will suppose 5 into 8 the result will be shown in the next page. Yes, the result is product is 40. This is another page. The page is abc.jsp, and because of the value is get value, then so it is shown in the query string. And I will try to post with action, post action, so that the value is not appeared in the query string. And just correct this page with method equal post in the index.html page, so that the data is encrypted within this page, that is hidden, or is called encapsulated within this query string. So now I will run the project here, run as, to show this action of post configured project abc. Value will be, suppose value I will give here is 5 into 7. Submit. Yes, the value is 35. It is okay. Product is 35. That value is not appear in the query string. So it is the method that using method equal post will solve the problem, because by default it is always a method equal to get method by default. But if you want to hide this data in the query string, you always use post method, which is in the index.html after the action of this target file page, that method equal to post. Because by default, if I will omit this area, omit this word, that is method equal post, it will automatically considered as get method. So difference is I have already told in my previous videos. So it is post that encapsulated values within the page and hiding the values from the query string. So it is okay now. I think it is clear to you. If you want to relate 1, 2 or more pages within this, then this method may be followed by you. Thanks, and I will show in the next video with the example of login value related to value multiply value in servlet place. Thank you.